I'm your Mr. Professional Hacker, and today we have our last lecture on the Metasploit Framework. After completing this, we will move on to the next topic, and I will provide more lectures on this because this tool is a very big. Okay, so once we finish everything else, so let's jump straight to the practical session. Now first thing, I need to share the link of this video on my Facebook page and on my Facebook group. Okay, because I want more person join to me live and start to learn hacking with me. So please just give me 2 minutes for that. Language Metasploit work exploitation tool lecture is started. Okay, just wait please. Just I share this in some groups. Okay, and just wait a while please, because it's very important thing for me. And okay, no problem. Just wait please, and came here, take live class. Okay, now I share this one, and now I share in page, because who more person join live benefit to my channel and benefit to all persons who want to learn hacking. And this portion actually a very important tool, and it's a very big tool. How much is big tool? Today I will show you. And if you learn this tool practically and do hard work on this, you can learn almost complete hacking. Okay, because this tool is used for all type hacking, like Android, iPhone, PCs, Windows, applications, websites, each and everything you can exploit by using this tool. How much, I will show you today. This is actually a last part, but for a while. Okay, now everything is fine here, and okay, let's start our practical session, because here is, if you want to see how much is big, just you type this one command here. Okay, screen is blank because I set complete commands and detail in my PC. Just copy paste, because don't have much time. Just here you type this one, search Tomcat, and here you see almost 70 post-enum Tomcats. Understand? Now let's clear. Okay, let's move on next step. Okay, use an exploit modules. If you want to use someone exploit module, then first step you need to do set target and payload. First you need to set your target. Okay, and then you need to set okay, now start is open fire authentication bypass with RCE model. First step is you need to set this one exploit here. This exploit is now is set. Here you see using configured payload Java shell TCP. Understand? Now I need to set here host. Just set here host, here set, hit enter, and now I need to set here port. Understand? Just type here, hit enter, and now everything is done. Understand? Now just type here exploit. Wait, here is something is missing. No, here I need to type run. No, everything is no. Actually, we need to set payload. Okay, first, second step again, we need to set complete step. Actually, we type a half host. Okay, now set port. Hit enter, and now need to set payload. Payload set, and now again need to set L host. First is R host, now is L host. Hit enter, and now port. Okay, hit enter. Hit enter. Now exploit is done. Now here is our exploit working is started, but it's don't do any exploit on this IP address, because this IP address is a dummy IP address, and this is actually only for your understanding and only for practical. It's actually an example IP address. So first step, you need to set complete exploit here, then you set R host, then you set R port, then you set payload. Understand? And then you set L port, L host, and then at of the end you type exploit and then hit enter, it start working. And first step I told you, you type here your victim address. Understand? You type here your victim port. Okay, next step is Tomcat RCE via JSP upload bypass. Okay, first step, here you type this one. Okay, now I changed this, and I told you again, I will repeat you again. Actually, now I just do practical on this. Okay, and I will make one more lecture on this. I just told about these all exploit detail. Understand? Each by each. Now you understand what is working. You do before. Okay. Now here everything set. Now here I need to set R host. Again I type same this one. Okay. Hit enter. Now again I set port and hit enter. Again I need to set payload. Almost same payload. Okay, set payload and then again set host, L host. Now hit enter, again set L port, then again set here. Okay, then type here run. Now actually command is run. Okay, now here is exploit failed. Java Meterpreter reverse TCP is not a compatible payload. So it's mean here I do some mistake. Oh, actually, wait. our payload is maybe not compatible for that. That's why it's not working well. So I need to check our payload. Okay, if showed like that error, and if showed like that thing, you need to check your payload, which payload you type here. Maybe some file is missing, or some configuration is not compatible for that. Okay, let's jump on next, then we will see at of the end what is the solution. Okay, next step is PHP shell find stock, set the payload. Understand? First step is here you just set a simple, this one. Now it's changed. Okay, now set here your host. It's actually very simple. Yes, now here set port. Okay, hit enter, and now here's type run. Now again it showed some run. Actually, I think here is something missing. Now need to type help. Everything available here. If anything showed error like that, then you can take help from here. Here you just need to check which command or which configuration available here about this command. You need to find here. I type here simple run. No, it's not working. Then I type here run. No, it's not working. Again I need to check, and again I need to set host, lhost. It's actually a requirement parameters, okay, for running. And why it's not working right now, I think this run command configuration is not actually this showed a unknown command. Understand? So here I type dot run. Now help for this session. Just wait, please. Here I need to check detail about that. Why it's not working? Run. Actually, here is configuration not available. That's why it's not working well. Okay, no problem. Actually, some commands are not working just because of configuration issue. It's not a big problem. It's not an issue. So you just need to concentrate on your practical session. Okay, let's move on next step. Say Mantic web gateway local file induction. You need to change this one, load module, exploit module actually it's called, and now it's changed. Then I need to set here our host. Okay, hit enter. I type here dummy IP address and type here dummy. You need to type here your victim IP address and your victim port. Then you type here simple exploit, hit enter. Now I start exploitation. Okay, and when you provide to his complete detail, and when everything is done, then it's working well. If everything is missing in command or in payload, then it's not working and it showed you error in front of you. You have a lot of time, you need to do complete practical, do hard work. Okay, this is a very important tool. I'll told you again and again. It's a very important and dangerous tool. You can hack, you can hack anything by using this Metasploit exploitation tool. This tool used in worldwide for hacking, for exploitation. You can exploit by using Metasploit post-exploitation tool to all type devices, PCs, Windows, websites, each and everything, social media like that, everything you can exploit by using this tool. Understand? So it's very important and very dangerous, and it's very big tool. I only right now make on this tool just 4 to 5 lecture, but if I make uh, all lecture on this tool, then almost above 20 plus, because it's a very big, very big. Okay, so let's move on next step. jQuery file upload vulnerability. You need to type here this one module. Okay, let's move on next. uh, I need to set here target. Okay, for example, my target is 1. I type here 1, and then we need to set payload. I hope it's working, not show any error. Let's see what happened. Okay, just simple, and then type here lport, hit enter, and then type here run. Okay, now again it's actually showed our hosts. Here actually we need to type hosts. Okay, I type here just one host, but it's ask more hosts. So let's need to change this one thing. Here is just type 100 and type -192.168.1.200, hit enter. Okay, now need to copy lport. If showed some error and say to you like that, just when you type like that things and hit run. Now after type this, I check what's option validate error, one or more option failed to validate. Here that actually we type something wrong thing. What is wrong? We need to find that. Okay, now again we need to type this thing. Just type here, simple, copy, paste. Actually these command are very big. That's why I everything set in my PC engine, copy and paste, because somewhere showed some errors like that. Okay, now set l host, oh sorry, l port 8080. Now I type here 8080. Now I type here run. Now again it's failed, again it's failed, again it's failed. It's mean something problem with our hosts. It's not working right now, and oh actually we do some mistake here. Here is just type set l hosts. Okay, just this mistake here, 1.100, type 192.168.1.200, hit enter. Now set l port 444. Okay, hit enter. Now type here run. Again it's showed same result. Last try I do on it. Set L hosts and hit enter. Now set L port 8080, hit enter, run. Now actually it's not working right now. Just reason is because something when which file or which feature is missing from this, or something is missing from configuration file, that's why it showed like that error. It's not a big problem, so everything is done, just is something is missing from this. Okay, so let's move on next step, auxiliary modules. Here is this portion is a very important, password cracking with web apps. Okay, so first step is we need to load this one. Oh, sorry. Hit enter and now type here. Actually, I can't do this thing with complete because here it's want password hash. Okay, now I type here just action hash cat, and now I type here set our host. Now set, now I type here run, hit enter. Now it start cracking, understand? Now here you see PBKDF2 HMK SHA1 found to crack, no PH pass found, like that, because nothing have anything available on this IP address, but it's done his job. So which information available in this, he will show in front of you, understand? Okay, let's move on next step. Next step is post-exploitation module. Okay, Tomcat enumeration, it's called Tomcat enumeration. Here is this one used for that, and then you type here session 1, just simple thing, session 1, and then type simple thing, just simple. Now here is what he say, the following option failed to validate session because I don't have any session. Okay, here what he say, post module execution completed, everything is completed, but nothing any session available. I just type here dummy and example session number. Okay, but you need to type here your accurate session number. Okay, which working you do on your system, and show some session numbers. Okay, you need to type here with number, then it's working, otherwise it's showed like that and showed some error or failed. Okay, let's move on next step, advanced Metasploit commands. Some advanced Metasploit commands I show you, and show modules. If you want to see complete module, then you type here just simple thing, but here is actually we open these things, and here actually our lecture is almost done, everything is done. Okay, but I show you some payload lists, something about that, how much is big, but don't have much time. So, and that conclude today's lecture. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, like, share, and comment on the video. If anyone is interested is talking a paid course, feel free to get touch.